Y'all, we had to walk back up here. We've been taking the stairs. Honey, we trying to go to the ninth floor where everybody is. So we can go party. Child Bay had the nerve to leave his phone in his room. We had done went all the way back down to the first floor. No, second, third floor. Third floor, fourth floor, third floor. Went all the way down to the third floor. We up on the second floor. Now we're gonna walk back down. Walk back up. 2 more flights to the ninth. It feels good to be on 2, I think, for those of them that booked on 2. I think my next time I'm gonna have to try it too. Woo. Baby, talking about nauseous. Honey, you be more tired than anything going up and down those stairs. You ain't got time to worry about honey feeling sick. Child, you ready?
Yeah, you don't need your cup.
I'm finna take my cup in the way. You don't need yours. Just leave yours. You just got my cup in the way. Come on, let's go. I'll get my bottle when I come back, honey. We don't even need no drink right now. I got to get used to this walking. Baby, I ain't walked this much in my life. I don't even walk to the mailbox. Baby. Whew. All right. I need a drink right now. Something to drink. Not no drink. Going up the stairs. As you go up, it'll tell you where you at. And you end up being embarrassed about being tired. Because, baby, trust and believe, you ain't going to be the only one tired. Whew. We made it to the night. Oh, my glasses falling. Okay, which way we go? Lido. Am I going the wrong way? Okay, we made it. Babe, I had to ask, we did too much walking, honey. Hi.
Well, I found it. I need the front step.
Ooh. Okay. I smell food. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We out here on the deck. I don't know what Kita is. But we done made it out here, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look, y'all. This the Lido deck. Where the food at? Oh yeah, we in the right spot. We where the food at. Ooh. That look like my sister over there. Is that her? I thought I saw some hair. What is this? Babe, I just see some food right here. Ooh. We done found what this is. Oh, this just the salsa bar? Okay, so we go over there and get in that line for the food?
This one is
for tacos.
And this one is for the burritos, and the middle is for the wings.
Wings? Right here?
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Okay. Babe, they got taco right here. Is all this included?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is.
Okay. We at the Blue Laguna. It's a burrito. I'm just gonna get something. I need something, child. We got pork, chicken, fish. They got burritos over here, beans, all this here grilled stuff, some chicken. They got rice, shrimp. Oh, you choose your tortilla. Chicken beef. We leaving, y'all. Oh yeah, cause you can see right there. So they're scooting on over. Dang. Oh yeah. We moving, y'all.
We still moving away from that.
Yeah, I see it. They turning too.
Yeah. I don't think she done. No, she not done.
They turning some.
Turn around this place going from there.
Look, y'all, we leaving. Look, y'all. Baby, look at how this water. Baby, you better not get caught up in that. You see that swirl right there, Keita, that circle? Right there.
Okay.
Right there. That's a current right there. You see it? Right here, look down. Look down right there.
Right there, baby.
That current right there. You see that it got white in it? How you feel now, honey?
Today's play? Okay. Get an episode in if I can't get no Wi-Fi, man. I'm sick.
Look at them big old patches of seaweed, though.
It's gonna be a bunch of that out there. I thought I was gonna start some big old whales and stuff there. I ain't seen nothing.
Oh, nothing.
Unless it pass like.
Babe,
That's a beautiful view.
how you feel now, honey? The water get more clear than this?
No. It get bluer.
Oh.
Right now it's still like green.
Let me show y'all the water.
Girl, when you see the goddamn island water, you gonna be like, oh my god.
What?
It's so clear.
That's why I was asking. Is it clearer than
It's
this?
so clear blue.
Okay.
It's so clear. Yeah.
Let me show y'all so y'all can see.
You can feel the engine moving. You can feel the engine really pushing out. They have like a little shake to it.
This is pretty, y'all. We almost to the point we ain't gonna see none of that right there.
You gonna see no land? Straight water.
Yes. But it's pretty though.
Do I know how to float?
I float like a mug. I might can't swim, but I can float.
I can't swim.
You can't swim?
You better stay calm so you can float.
Yeah. If you can float, you good.
Y'all look. Y'all look. Ooh.
We ain't bring nobody cars or nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, I see. I don't know how I feel though.
Just gotta look.
Oh look. We in Keto Room. They got them a window and shit. Look at her. Got them a chair to sit down. Can't tell them nothing. Baby, we know how to cruise next time. Baby, we coming on down here to the free shit. Look, they treat you right with the free shit here. Oh, look, y'all. Okay. This ain't bad, though. This is not bad at all, I must say. It's like anything else, like when you watching yourself leave something, you feel that motion. But it's not nothing at all. When you up there on that top, you feel that wind blowing you. It's more your nerves than anything. Oh yeah, we finna have us some fun, child. We finna have us some fun. And they got them some whole mirrors. Child, I'm dressed for dinner. Shit.